Hello, little ones. Today, we're diving into the essential rooms of a house, exploring their purpose and the items that make them feel like home. Ready to learn? Let's get started. Number 1. Living room. A space for relaxation, socializing, and daily activities. Living room includes a sofa, coffee table, TV, shelves, lamps. Number 2. Kitchen. The central hub for cooking and food preparation. Kitchen typically contains a stove, refrigerator, sink, cabinets, and utensils. Number 3. Bedroom. A private space for sleeping and personal privacy. Bedroom includes a bed, wardrobe, nightstands, lamps, and a dresser. Number 4. Bathroom. A room dedicated to hygiene and sanitation. Bathroom includes a toilet, sink, shower or bathtub, mirror, dining area. A place for eating meals, either separate or part of the kitchen. Dining area includes a dining table, chairs, tableware, and lighting fixtures.